Okay, I think I solved the problem because this right here, export SSL keylog file, this is the problem with in many cases. This is not creating the SSL keys .log that we need. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to click on this and let me get on over to, let me change into HTTPS lab and we can see there's no SSL keys. Let me just touch it, meaning create that file. So at least it's already there. It's already present. So now let's go ahead and we've done that. Let's run our server right here. And it's showing that. Let's go ahead and ensure we are let's go grab the local host, the default landing page, which this is, and then we can grab content from evidence.txt, and it is responding. So the next step was this on a separate line for this, when in fact we want to set this up as an environmental variable that helps the processor understand. So let's go to this terminal. Notice I have to go between two terminals, and to insert another terminal we can go to this symbol right here. Okay. Now we have to go to advanced, and we have to proceed to 443, and it says it's risky. Now let's go into our log again. We have to go into another terminal. Do ls. Let's go to, now as long as this is not empty, we're good, and we are good. Okay, it is not empty. And if we go to utilize the head stream, we can see that some of the first lines are client, handshake, traffic, secret. There it is. There's what we need. Secrets. In this case, secrets are fun. Secrets are good. Now we're going to go ahead and capture the traffic in Wireshark. So let me once again bring up Wireshark again, sudo Wireshark. And it's going to ask us for the password. Okay, and we're going to go to any. All right, and let's filter for TCP port 4443. And let's go press enter, or else you can actually physically press enter. Now we're going to give it something to analyze. We're going to refresh it, and we can already see some packets appearing. And we're going to go to HTTPS localhost 443 evidence.txt, and then we're going to refresh just for the heck of it. And I'm just trying to find the Wireshark right here. Here it is. And I think we should have enough. We should have enough to have captured. Okay. And maybe we don't, but hopefully, oh yeah, we do. We do. Okay. All right. And from here, we can go to edit, then find packet, and then we can do get. Okay. And unfortunately, it does not show any gets. Okay. And one of the reasons is because this is all, we can't even find evidence. There's nothing that shows evidence, the word evidence, even though we went to it. And there's no get, there's no anything. Oh, there's a get right here. And we do see. Now, I don't know if that is something extra right here. But, anyways, okay. Now, we can actually. Now we can go and set the log file name to find the keylog file. So here we have home username https sslkeys.log. So in other words, we have to tell this, okay, we have to tell this to actually reference the SSL keys log. So we're going to go to edit, then preferences, and then we're going to go to protocols, and then we're going to click on this drop down button, and then we're going to go all the way down to TSL. Here it is. I thought I saw it. TSP. Oh, TLS. I'm sorry. I was thinking TSL. TLS. If I can just find it. TLS. Here it is. And it already has my keylog in here. So if let's say, for example, we're just going to remove it and then go to apply and then go to OK, we can see this is the world without our TLS log. Okay, so we can't really detect anything. We do have application right here, which is nice. But what that is just a generic application. It just says application. So this is a world without our TLS log file. Okay, we really see nothing. I mean, this is nothing. There's no resolving, no anything. There's no evidence. There should be get evidence, because evidence is one of the web pages we went to, and it's not here. So let's go to edit, preferences, and go to protocols, and then go to TLS. TLS, not TiVo Connect. TLS. It sounds like it's a lot more fun. And let's put in home JSON HTTPS. Now, it was here before because I've been working on this lab before. But now it's here again. We're going to go to, and watch what happens when I click apply. And watch what happens to all of this. It'll make a lot more sense. I'm going to click on apply. See what happens? All that changed. And then go to OK. Okay, now all of a sudden we see our gets, and we see more. See, this is get evidence.txt right away. We see it. Okay. And that pretty much, the fact that we now have broken the encryption of TLS, we can see, we now have more transparency. We can see where this person went, as an example.